Hello everyone, and welcome back to ArtBox Studio, where we explore the intersection of art and technology. In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 3 AI tools that will change the way you work. These tools have made a significant impact on my personal and professional life, and I'm excited to share them with you. In third place, we have HootSuite. HootSuite is a social media management tool that allows you to manage all your social media accounts in one place. It helps you schedule posts in advance and track your social media metrics. If you're looking to boost your social media presence, HootSuite is a must-have tool. Here are some tips for using HootSuite effectively. Connect all your social media accounts to HootSuite and schedule your posts in advance. This way, you can save time and focus on other important tasks. You can also track your social media metrics to see which posts are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. In second place, we have Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you improve your writing skills. It checks for spelling and grammatical errors, punctuation, and sentence structure, making it a great tool for professionals who want to improve their writing skills. Here's how you can use Grammarly effectively. Copy and paste your text into Grammarly and let the tool analyze your writing. It will then provide you with suggestions on how to improve your writing. You can also install the Grammarly extension on your web browser or use the app, which will check your writing as you type. In the first place, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can answer your questions and provide you with helpful information. It's like having a personal assistant that's available 24/7. If you're looking to save time and increase productivity, ChatGPT is the tool for you. Here are some tips for using ChatGPT effectively. Ask ChatGPT any question that you have, and it will provide you with the answer. You can also use ChatGPT to set reminders and schedule tasks. This will help you stay organized and increase your productivity. In conclusion, these 3 AI-powered tools can help you be more productive, efficient, and effective in your personal and professional life. Use HootSuite to manage your social media accounts, Midjourney to analyze customer feedback and sentiment, and ChatGPT to answer your questions and provide helpful information. And remember, the key to using these tools effectively is to practice, practice, practice. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.